dear students? Please respond, okay? Today we will discuss a few questions with different techniques. Some short techniques, some long techniques we will discuss. I will not discuss many questions, but I will show a question by alternative approach. So you can catch it. You can follow anyone, that is your choice. First of all, dear students, let me check what we have discussed. Phase number 3. Yes. Can you read the questions? Anyone? Manyata, can you read the question?
Yes, sir. If the cost
Can you read the
if the
question?
cost price of 10 chairs is equal to the selling price of 16 chairs, find the loss or gain percentage.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Manyata.
sir.
We have to discuss these questions firstly, dear students. Here, cost price of 10 chairs, selling price of 16 chairs. Can you guess whether there is profit or loss? Sri Sanskriti loss, Niharika loss. Oh, you're guessing, maybe right. Yeah, Sri Koirala loss. Okay, let me check. First of all, dear student, here are many techniques. Thank you, Rosika, Simran. Our first process is, dear students, I will explain, then I'll give time to copy this solution and all the methods you have to copy. Okay, Srisa Procrel. Yeah, good. Now, first of all, I have supposed the cost price of 10 chairs equal to x, because the amount is not given here, that I have supposed is a variable which equal x. What I suppose? Cost price of total chairs, that means 10 chairs, is x. And using unitary method, dear students, we can find the cost price of one chair. Cost price of one chair is 1 by 10 into x, divide by 10. And then next is x by 10. It becomes x by 10. Next step, we have given CP of 10 chairs equal to SP of 16 chairs, which is given in the question. So what can I do? What can we do? Selling price of 16 chairs is also supposed by x. Are you getting? Please respond. Because CP of 10 chairs equal to x and SP of 16 chairs equal to x, you may have confusion, but we have taken this from the given condition as given CP of 16 10 chairs equal to XP of 16 chairs. In this way we find, oh sorry, this is SP, dear students. Here I mistakenly written that is SP of 1 chair equal to x by 16. Do you have any questions up to this step, dear students? Do you have any problem? No. Prakritis, thank you. Roshika, thank you. Parvat, Simran, Manneta, thank you. Now, dear student, can you guess whether there is profit or loss, or simply x by 10 is greater or x by 16 is greater? Which one is greater, dear student? This is the concept of fraction. You have studied in grade 4 or 5, I believe. X by 10 is greater or x by 16 is greater? X by 10 is greater, because if x is 100 by 10 will be 10, if x is 100 by 16 it will be less. So, or if numerator is same, then smaller denominator will be, the fraction having smaller denominator will be more. That's, you know, the concept. And the next step is, dear student, we have to find loss percentage. The formula for loss percentage is Cp minus Sp by Cp into 100%. Many times we have repeated this. And then loss percent equal x by 10, that is Cp, minus x by 16, that is Sp of 1 year, by Cp is x by 10 times 100%. Then the next step, dear students, by simplifying, we have to take LCM. 10 and 16 is 80. 10 8s are 80, so it becomes 80x, minus 16 5s are 80, so it becomes 5x, times 5 is 5x, by 80 by x by 10. Yes. Then next step is 8x minus 5x by 80x by 10 into 100%. Same process is repeated, dear students. And 3x by 80 by x by 10 into 100%. One more step I have written. And 3x by 80, and x goes up, denominator goes up, numerator goes down, by division change into multiplication, so 10 by x into 100%. Now the next step is, dear student, L percent equal 3 by 8 into 100% is 0, 0 cancel, x cancel. And the next step is 37.5%. Now you have to copy, dear students, you can copy. I will drop this, I will save this. So please copy this first. I'll wait for a few minutes, dear students. Please. Sanskriti, yes, completed copying, sir. Thank you. Other students also, please response after completion of your tasks. I mean, after completing the copying the solution, let me know your information. Niharika completed, Prajjal completed, Satyajit, yes, Sulabh, Nihaljang, Asim, yes, thank you. Ayan, Rijesh, Abid, Asmit, others, please response. Bidan, thank you. Mahima, Manyata, Simran, thank you. Nabin, Rosika, excuse me, Sandesh, Deni Prabhat, yes, Ayush, thank you. Others, around 90 students or people are here. Only I will get few response. Pratik, Tajali, that's good. Thank you. Thank you. I hope other students also have completed this. Do you have any questions regarding this solution, dear students? First, I have explained. Second, I have given chance to copy this solution. Okay, no, Prakriti, thank you. Now, the next step, dear students, this is one solution. No problem about this. Now, I should move to page number 4. Yes, the question is, Bidan, can you read the question?
Yes, sir.
Bidan, can you read the
Sir,
question?
this question: if the cost of 10 is the cost price of 10 shares is equal to the selling price of 16 shares, find the loss or gain percentage.
Can you tell me the answer? Vidhan, what is the answer? Prajwal, you are right. I know. Yeah, you are clever. Vidhan, what is the answer?
Sir, I
Tell me quickly within 20 seconds.
yes, sir.
Are you doing? Who can give the answer? Quick answer. Who can give? Okay, Vidhan, you can do. No problem. Satyajit. Yes. Prachal, you are very, you are right. Question is same. So just I'm making fun for you. The question is same. Just now I have shown the answer is 37.5. So the answer is 37.5. But dear students, I will show you the different techniques. How can we deal? Okay, thank you everyone. The answer you know, yeah, it's good. Here, this is different than last solution. Yeah. In first solution. In first solution, we have supposed the cost price of 10 chairs equal to x. But here, I have supposed cost price of one chair is x. Dear students, this is little bit different. Here I have supposed the cost price of one chair is x, cost price of 10 chairs will be 10x, it is understood, and cost price of 16 chairs is 16x, because selling price of 16 chairs we have to compare. That's why cost price of 16 chairs also by using unitary method it is 16x. And the next step, dear students, CP of 10 chairs equal to SP of 16 chairs. So SP of 16 chairs equal to CP of 10 chairs. So SP of 16 chairs equal to 10x, because CP of 10 chairs equal to SP of 16 chairs. That's why SP of 16 chairs equal to 10x. Do you have any questions, dear student? I have shown 3 steps. Let me know if you have confusion on this process. Please response. I think I have explained very slowly. Everybody can understand. Thank you so much. No problem, Roshika. Yeah. Now moving to the next step, dear student. SP is smaller than CP from here. Yes, CP of 16 chairs is 16x, but SP of 16 chairs is 10x. We can see SP is smaller than CP. That's why here will be the loss. So loss percent CP minus SP by CP into 100%. Next step, 16x minus 10x by 16x into 100 is percent. 6x by 16x into 100%. 3 by 8 into 100%. Now the last or the final answer is 37.5. Write this. I will wait for 2 minutes, dear students. This is method number 2. After completion of the task, let me know. Please highlight or response on chat box here. This is also 37.5. Sanskriti, thank you. Simran, Prakriti, Prajwal, Satyajit, Aman Kumar, Rajesh, Sakshat, Amrit, Sandeep, Bachan, Sandesh, Anya, Pritan, Habib, Niharika, Shulab, Rosika, Mahima, Puja, Amisha, Janisa, Sabine, Sujata, and Mandeta. Thank you for your response. Now, dear students, I'll give the next alternative, means the last alternative. The last alternative may help to complete the tasks within 1 or 2 minutes. If you have to face some arogya, thank you. If you have to face some entrance preparation, at that time you need quick calculation. For that purpose also, the third or the last alternative will be best fit. Alternative method, dear students, In this case, cost of 10 chairs and cost of 16 chairs selling price. So here firstly find the LCM of 10 and 16, which is 80. Dear students, first find the LCM of 10 and 16, because LCM is the lowest common multiple that will be divisible by both number 10 and 16. That's why creatively I have taken the LCM of 10 and 16, which is 80. I believe you understand. Just judge yourself why we are taking LCM. We are taking LCM because the LCM is divisible by both the numbers. So 10 chairs 10 and 16 chairs 16, I have taken the LCM of 10 and 16. And I have supposed the cost price of the chair equal to 10 chairs equal to LCM. That means RS 80. So cost price of one chair would be 8. That's 80 by 10 is 8. Similarly, SP of 16 chairs also 80, because 10 chairs CP equal to 16 chairs SP. So both number is same. That's why I have supposed SP of 16 chairs is also 80. SP of 1 chair equal to RS 5. And the next loss percent is what? You know the formula, dear student. Loss percent is CP minus SP by CP into 100%. So 8 minus 5 by 8 into 100%. I have done this in shortcut way. So 3 by 100%, and this is 37.5%. Dear students, you can copy this last method as well. Sandesh, thank you. Prakriti, Rosika, Puja, Vaibhav, Sabine, Bachan, Rijesh, Idan, Amisha Sharma, thank you. Naveen, thank you. Satyajit, thank you. Now, dear students, let me know your response regarding these all three methods. Can you categorize 1, 2, 3 for suppose this method are ABC and your preference? ABC, which one is first? First method is A, second method is B, and third method is C. Can you put in order? Suppose if I like third method is C, A, B, or A, B, C, that order. B, C, A, Rosika, yes. C, A, B, Manyata, Mohima, A, B, C, yes. Please order, please write down, yes. Let me know. Arogya Bandari, A, B, C, Sulabh, B, A, C, yes. Let me know. No, yes. You can put your order. B, C, A, CBA, Sandesh Adhikari, thank you. ABC, yeah, BCA, CBA. That's good. Cab, okay. Satyajit Cab, okay. So here you have to write one more this formula. Anyway, understood. Yes, thank you so much, dear students. Now we have to move to the next question. I believe I made you clear about the concept of such question. Now move to the next part, dear students. I need quick answer, dear students. Then only I will show this answer. I need quick answer, please. I'll read the question. If the cost price of 18 chairs is equal to the selling price of 16 chairs, find the loss or gain percentage. I need quick answer, dear students. Who can give quick answer? Let me check. You can use any method. Just I need answer at this time. Profit or loss, or how much profit or loss goes to? Yeah. After getting 5 responses, then only I will show the Sanskriti 12.5%. Yes, others. I don't know whether it is right or wrong. Simran, same answer. Oh, good. Prakriti, gain, Simran, profit. That's good. Different language. Asika Faudel, 12.5% profit. Oh, Prakriti. Yes, yes, yes. Ankit, 12.5. Thank you. Shulab, 12.5. Okay. Okay, Arogya, yes. Prajwal, Niharika, Roshit, 12.4. Roshit, how 12.4? 12.5. Yes, thank you. Thank you, dear students. The now my question is, dear students, which method have you applied to keep the quick response? Can you mention over there? Which method, which technique? First, second, third. B, 1B, B. Arogya, no method. C, B. C, sir, Manyatas. Thank you. Thank you, dear students. Anyway, this is just for checking. I will show the solution, dear students. Here I have applied the method B. CP of 1 chair is X, CP of X 18 chairs is Sandesh, thank you. 18x, and CP of 16 chairs is 16x, because for 18 it is X 18 and for 16 it is 16, because the selling price of 16 chairs only we will consider. That's why I have taken this. And we have given CP of 18 chairs equal to SP of 16 chairs. I will go fast because that I have already given the hints for this question, means previous question will help to deal this question. So SP of 16 chairs is 18x, CP of 16 chairs is 16x. I believe now you got the answer, dear students. It is exactly 12.5. I think there is no any confusion. Can you move to the next questions, dear students? Next question. Yes, thank you. Thank you. So, I want to move to question number, page number 6. Yes, page number 6, dear students. Yes, here is one interesting question. Roshika, can you read the question? Roshika.
Yes, sir. Rashika sells a
Dear
medicine
Roshika,
to Manyata at a profit
can you read
of
the question?
10% and sells the same medicine to Sanskriti at profit of 20%. If
Oh,
Sanskriti
yes.
had sold it for rupees
Yes.
330, there is thereby earning a profit of 25%. Find the cost price of of it for Rosika. Yes, sir.
Oh, are you Roshika? Oh, what is your cost price? Can you tell us quickly? Do you know your cost price? Roshika. What is Roshika? Do you know your cost price? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Roshika, for reading the question. Now I will give hints. Here, look at here, dear students. Here is one chain. CP of Roshika given, not given. And then profit percent of Roshika, then goes to SP of Roshika, and which is equal to CP of Manyata, and then profit percent of Manyata, next selling price of Manyata, and then equal cost price of Sanskriti, then profit percent of Sanskriti, then selling price of Sanskriti, then equal to 330. Dear student, did you get the chain here? Please mention in the chat box. Did you get the chain of this question or not? I believe everybody understood. Yeah. Okay. Amrit Paudel, no. Okay, Amrit, can you unmute and ask the questions? Why didn't you understand the
So can you
questions? I
repeat
will
it
repeat.
again?
No worry. Please.
So I didn't get anything
What is
that
your
for
difficulty level, or where you didn't get exactly?
yes sir.
Okay, okay. Just wait. Yeah. Have you read the question?
Roshika.
First, who is the first character? Person.
Yes sir.
Rosika. And this 10% is the profit percent of Rosika, yeah? Rosika cost price, she will add profit percent and she will sell, that will be selling price of Rosika, which is equal the cost price of Manyata, because Manyata bought from Rosika. Okay. So again she has added profit percent and she sells to Sanskriti, so selling price of Manyata equals selling price of Sanskriti. Then again she is added profit percent and she sells it to someone,
Yes sir.
the
I get it.
price is 330. May I did you get this now? Okay. Okay, now solution also, from the solution also you will be more clear. Thank you, Bob. Now here, dear students, solution part is same pattern. Just I have given this pattern for your understanding. That is not the solution part. That is for your understanding only. So let CP of Rosika be X. I have supposed this step is X. So what is the selling price of Rosika? That is CP plus 10% of CP. CP plus 10% of CP. CP is, we suppose, X plus 10% of X. 10% of X is 0.1 X. So after getting this, after solving this, we will get 1.1 X. Here I have jumped because this is simple thing that everybody can do. 10% of X is 0.1 X and it is 1 X and 0.1 X is 1.1 X. Till now, do you have any question? Anyone can respond? Okay, Ankit, thank you. Now the next step, dear students, we know the relation. SP of Rosika equals CP of Manyata. So let's move to the transaction of Manyata now. And what she is doing? SP of Manyata, now selling price of Manyata is CP plus 20% of CP. Then what is the CP of Manyata? That is the selling price of Rosika. What is the selling price of Rosika? That is 1.1x. That's why I have written CP of Manyata is SP of Rosika, which is 1.1x. So 1.1x plus 20% of 1.1x, it becomes 1.32x. Still I am waiting for your response. Do you have any question? I will stop at this moment, means at this step, then I will explain. Prakriti, thank you. No response, means no sir, no problem. Prajwal, yes. Rosika and Prajwal by Bob. Okay, thank you, dear student. Now moving to the next step, dear students. Again, the chain is that SP of Manyata is CP, Sanskriti, CP of Sanskriti. So SP of Sanskriti is CP plus 25% of CP. What is the CP of Sanskriti? That is 1.32x, which is the SP of Manyata. That's why, what is the SP of Sanskriti? That is already given 330. 330 equal 1.32x. This is the CP of Sanskriti plus 25% of 1.32x. So 25% of 1.32 is 0.33x. So by adding this, 330 equal to 1.65x. 330 divided 1.65 is x. So x is 200. Therefore, the cost price of Roshika is 200. Roshika, your cost price is 200 or not? We are right or wrong? Can you respond? Roshika,
I don't know, sir.
is
That's
your
your
cost
question.
price of the medicine is Rs 200? No. This is your questions. I have kept your name. In this question, your cost price is 200. No problem. Don't worry. Okay? Accept it. No problem. Yeah. Do you have any questions, dear student, about the solution? Now you can copy. Then I will show the alternative method. Very quick method I will show. After completion of this calculation, dear student, let me know whether you have completed or not. Yes, Simran, Vaibhav, yeah. Kritan, that's good. Satyajit, yes. Yes, Sanskriti, this is a lengthy process. Yes, good judge. This is not lengthy process. The question is lengthy, or this may be long questions. Okay. And the next, yes. Now I will show you very shortcut method, dear students. Don't worry about the method and technique that I have many methods collected, or I will show you. Don't worry about that. Can I step to the next technique, dear students? Yes, I got your response. Thank you. Nihaljan, thank you. Now the very quick method is, dear student, if it is 4 marks questions, generally will just the test, steps like that. But this upper part is just hints I have given, but from solution part you can start, you can complete, no problem about this. But the very quick answer, how to give very quick answer, I will show you now. Alternative shortcut method, dear student, look at here. We can suppose the cost price of Roshika be X. Now, Roshika sells with 10% profit, that is 1.1. X multiply 1.1, because that is profit of 10% will be added. 100 plus 10 will be 1.1. That's why I have multiplied by 1.1. And again, Manyata sells with 20% profit, so it becomes 1.2 times the result. And again, Sanskriti sold it for 25% gain or profit. That's why the result times 1.25. So all this collection, X times all this product is 330. This is the very quick shortcut method, dear students. If you understand this, CP of Roshika will be 200. Within 4 steps, we can find. If we have loss in some cases, Manyata 10% profit, Roshika, Manyata 10% loss, and Sanskriti 20% profit. In that way, maybe diverse relation. In that case, what can we do? It here maybe if 10% loss, 0.9 you can put here. In that way also you can solve this question. So this is the very short and quick method, dear student. Please respond on this solution part. Last, is it easier for you? If you understand the concept, I believe. Otherwise it will be confusing. Yeah, Kaustubh, yeah. Try to understand, Kaustubh. Those who can understand very shortcut method, they know little bit more. Any problem? If you have any problem, let me know. If profit 1, that is 100% means 1 and 10% means 0.1. Excuse me. And here also 20% more, so 1.2. Here 25% more, 1.25 of the given number. If you suppose the same question by 200 plus into 1.2, 1.1, it will be 220. That is the profit, adding profit. Then again 1.2 will be 220 into 1.2, that will be like that. In that way you can Sanskriti sir, how 1.1, 1.2? 10% profit means 100. If your cost price is what 100, then by adding 10% profit, 100 plus 10% of CP, that means 0.1% will be 0.1 will be that. 100% means 1 plus 10% is 0.1, it becomes 1.1 times the number. For example, dear students, if your cost price is suppose if your cost price is 200, then if you want to get 10% profit, 200 plus 10% of 200, can you calculate 200 plus 10% of 200? Sanskriti, 200 plus 10% of 200 is 20, it will be 220. Instead of that, can you multiply 200 into 1.1? 1.1 is adding the 100% and 10% profit, that is 200 into 1.1 will be 220. In this way you can find this. You can explore. If you have confusion, I will repeat again for the next or anything. Shall I start next question or I will clarify again this question? We don't have, almost the time is finished. If you don't know, I will explain again. Okay, I will not start the next question, but I have planned for the next. Can you start the next problem, dear student? That is very short. Last question. Next question. Okay, thank you. If you have any question regarding this solution, let me know again. Next time I will. Now moving to 7, dear students. It's not difficult question, but I have to explain. After solving this question, I believe you can complete up to question number 12, dear students. My focus is up to that, like that. And 2030, yes. So I have started after 5 minutes, so I will go up to 5. It's only 5 minutes I will take. It's not difficult.
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir. Oh.
Ankit sold 2 mobiles for Rs
Yes, sir.
24,000 each. Is here Ankit? Hello Ankit. Okay, you are shopkeeper, yes, of mobile shop. Okay, let's accept. Yeah. Okay, Ankit sold 2 mobiles for as 24,000 each. One on he gains 20% and on the other he loses 20%. Find his gain or loss percentage in whole transaction, Ankit. For this case first, selling price first is 2400. 1% loss. Sorry, it is not 1% loss. It is 4% loss. Profit percent is 20% and CP1 equal to what? So SP1 into 100 is CP1 100 per P%, or by another technique you can find cost price of first is 20,000. Similarly, dear students, in second case same SP, loss percent is 20, CP2 is what? CP2 is 30,000. Cost price of first is 20,000, cost price of second is 30,000, and the next total cost price is 50,000. What is the total selling price? 24,000 plus 24,000, it becomes 48,000. Now the next SP is less than CP, so there is loss. Loss percent is, you know, CP minus SP by CP into 100%. 50,000, 48,000, 50,000. 2,000, 50,000. Loss is 4%. Please quickly copy this. Please copy this quickly, dear students. Only 80 students are. Pritan, thank you. Here are two cases, dear students, but SP of both item is same. Sulabh, thank you. I am, yes. Now the last 1 minute time I will take, dear students, not more than 1 or around 2 minutes. Okay. Deepika, thank you. Deepika, yes. Any question? I have completed. Yes. Okay. Now the next part, dear students. Bachan, thank you. Can I go to the next? Can I go to the next, dear students? Okay. Now the very important part, dear students. Same question by alternative method. Within this step also we can find. If profit or loss percent are equal, 2020 given, SP of both are same, 24,000 each. In this case, there will be always loss, which is profit percent or loss percent by 10 whole square. So here 20 by 10 whole square is 4% loss. This is shortcut method. Very shortcut method, dear students. You have to remember two conditions over here. Selling price of both item is same and profit percent and loss percent is same. In that case, there will be always loss. There is always loss, which is 4% or 20 by 10 whole square. Now the final answer, final question for the students. Can you give the answer of last question? Bidan sold to computers for Rs 60,000 each. On one he loses 30%, on another he gains 30%. Find his gain or loss percentage in whole transaction. Can you write the answer of these questions and you can, I will stop today's presentation, dear students. Last answer you have to complete. You have to show, you should give the answer of last questions. Response 8, Arogya Bhandaris, thank you very much. You wrote the answer 9%, but what loss? Thank you, yeah. Written loss 9%, yes.